Hi everyone, you are watching SS Academy. Today's topic is number system for 6th class. So, in this number system, let us discuss Indian number system at first. So, to explain this Indian number system, so I am taking this particular number 2346837143. So, with the help of this number, I am explaining you the Indian number system. So if you look at this number, the number on the extreme right, so what is the number here? 3 is on the extreme right. So this number is considered in ones place. So the number on the extreme right is considered in ones place. The number on its left is 4. So this number is considered in tens place. After that, there is 1. This 1 is considered in hundreds place. So far ones, tens, hundreds. After hundreds place, there is number 7. This is in thousands place. What is it? Thousands place. After that 3 is here. This 3 is 10,000s place. This 3 is in 10,000s place. That means 3 and 7, both these numbers are under thousands category. 7 is in thousands place, 3 is in 10,000s place. That means these two numbers are under thousands category. After completion of thousands, there is another number, that is 8, which is in lakhs place. After that we have 6. 6 is in 10 lakhs place. That means 6 and 8 both are in under lakhs category. Which category? Lakhs. 6 and 8 both are in lakhs category. After completion of lakhs, 4 is here. 4 is in crores place. So what is it? Crores place. After that we have 3, which is in 10 crores place. After that it is 10 crores place. So 3 and 4 both are under the crores category. After completion of crores, there is another number, that is 2. This 2 is considered is in Arabs place. So the number after completion of crores is in Arabs place. So this is the Indian number system, the place value chart of Indian number system. So let us write the number name for this particular number. So if you see here, I have written the same number here. So 2346874143. So the first number on the extreme right is in ones place, 4 is on tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. After completion of hundreds, what is there? Thousands place. After thousands we have 10,000. That means this is thousands and this is 10,000s place. After 10,000s, there comes lakhs. After lakhs, we got 10 lakhs. Okay. So after 10 lakhs, we get crores. After crores, the number is 10 crores. So put another number here, some mistake is happened. So this is what? Arabs. So in this way, first we need to write the place values. So the number is given, we have written place values, ones, tens, hundreds. After that thousands, 10,000s. After that lakhs, 10 lakhs. After that crores, 10 crores. After that Arabs. So this is way to write place values. Now, after writing the place values, so you have to give separators. You have to give separators. So here a comma is used as a separator. So we should start from right hand side. So after 3 digits, first digit, second, third digit. So after 3 digits, we use a comma.
Rupees 13 received on phone pay.
We use a comma as a separator. That means after ones, tens, hundreds, after completion of hundreds, we use a comma as a separator. Okay, after that, after 2 digits, another separator is used. After 2 digits. So this is the first separator. After that, 2 digits. After 2 digits, we have to use another comma as a separator. Thus, after every 2 digits, you need to use a comma as a separator. So again 2 digits, 1, 2, put comma, 1, 2, put comma. So thus in this way we have to use comma as a separator. At first you need to give a comma after 3 digits. Later on you need to give a separator after every 2 digits. So this is the second step. Second step is what? Giving separators or writing separators. Now you need to write its name. You need to write its name. Okay, let us see. So here we have to, while writing the name of a number, you should start from left hand side. What is the number here? 9. This 9 is in which place? Arab's place. That's right. That's the reason you need to write 9 Arab. It's done. So Arabs is done. After that, what we have? We have 2 and 3. So 2 is in 10 crores place, 3 is in crores place. That means these two numbers, that means this 23, this number 23 is in crores category. So what is the number here? The number 23, and it is in which category? Crores category. That's the reason you need to write 23 crore. So the crores is finished. After crores, we entered into lakhs category. Which category it is? Lakhs. 4 is in 10 lakhs place, 6 is in lakhs place. That means this number 46. What is the number here? 46, which is under lakhs category. That's the reason you need to write it as 46 lakhs. What is it? 46 lakhs. So 46 lakhs. So lakhs are done. After that, it is thousands category. So here 8 is in 10 thousands place, 7 is in thousands place. That means 87, this number 87 is in thousands category. So that means you need to write it as 87,000. 87,000. So thousands are finished. Next, there is a number. What is it? 1. This 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. So that's the reason you need to write 100. What is the next number? 4. And what is the another number? 3. So this is what? 43. So simply you need to write 43. So thus the number can 9 Arab, 23 crore, 46 lakh, 87,143. In this way we write the name of a particular number. So in this way we write a name for a number in the Indian system. Let us see international number system. So before that we need to see the place value chart. We need to see the place value chart for international number system. So this is international number system. So this international number system is almost it is slightly similar to Indian number system, but there is a slight changes in the place value. So see here. So here the number on the extreme right, is considered as ones. The number to its left, what is it? 4. 4 is in tens place. After that we have 1. This one is in hundreds place. After 1 we have 7. This 7 is in thousands place. After that we have 3. This 3 is in 10,000s place. This 3 is in 10,000s place. After that we have 8. See here, for this number 8, in the Indian system we have lakhs, but in the international number system it is 100,000. So in the Indian system this is lakhs, but in the international number system it is 100,000. This is the change started from here. After 8 we have 6. So in the Indian system this 6 is considered as 10 lakhs, but in the international system it is called millions. Which place is it? Millions place. Then after 6 we have 4. In the Indian number system 4 is in which place? Crores place, but international number system it is 10 millions. After 4 we have 3 here. 3 is in tens crores place in the Indian system, but in the international number system it is 100 millions. So after 3 we have 2. So in the Indian number system this 2 is considered in Arabs place. But international number system it is in billions place. What is it? Billions place. So these are the changes when compared to the Indian number system. So here thus simply once again I am explaining ones, tens, hundreds. After that thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. So how many numbers are under thousands category? 3. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. These 3 are under the thousands category. After completion of thousands we get into millions place. Millions, 10 millions, 100 million. That means the another 3 digits comes under millions category. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. After completion of millions we will get into billions. So this is the place value chart in the international number system. Let us number system with the help of a number. See here, I have written a number here. So while writing a number name in the international number system, the first step you have to do is write the place values. So I am writing place values: ones, tens, hundreds. After that thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. After that millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and finally it is billion. So after writing the place values, the second step you have to write commas as separators. So in the Indian system we have given comma after 3 digits. After that, we have given comma after every 2 digits. But in the international number system, after every 3 digits, in the international number system, after every 3 digits, you have to place a comma as a separator. So let's give separators in the second step. So here after every 3 digits, right? 1, 2, 3. Put comma here. 1, 2, 3. Again another comma. 1, 2, 3. Again another comma. The second step is done. The separators were given. Now you need to write the name of this particular number. So while writing a name, you should start from left hand side. So place value is given from right hand side, commas will be given from right hand side, but while writing name, you should start from left hand side. So what is the number here? 9. 9 is in billions place. So write 9 billion. 9 billion. So billions are done. After billions, you have another. We have 2, 3, 4. How many numbers are there? 3 numbers, and all these 3 numbers under millions category. 100 millions, 10 millions, millions. That means this complete this whole number is under millions category. So 234. 234 is in millions, is under millions category. So you need to write it as 234 million. 234 million. So millions are done. After millions, we have 3 numbers, 6, 8, 7. That means 687. 6 is in 100,000s place. 8, 10,000s place, 7,000s. That means overall this number is in thousands category. 687 is in thousands category. So you need to write it as 687,000. 687,000. Okay, thousands are done. After thousands, we have, what is the number here? 143. 143. Since 1 is a hundreds place, 100. This is 43. 143. So in this way we write. In this way we write the number names for a particular number in Indian system and international number system. So that's all, friends. I hope you liked this video. Please comment your opinion, your feedback. Please give your feedback to improve myself in the comment section. Thank you all.